Imagine you're on a journey to the stars, but instead of a spaceship, you're piloting an investment vehicle. Is spaceship a unit trust? It's a question that has been buzzing around the investment community. Let's dive into the details and find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand what a unit trust is. A unit trust is a type of collective investment scheme where investors pool their money together to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. Think of it as a shared fund where everyone owns a piece of the pie. Now, Spaceship is a relatively new investment platform that has gained significant popularity. It offers a unique way to invest in global stocks and ETFs, with a focus on simplicity and accessibility. But is it really the same as a unit trust? Key differences. While Spaceship and unit trust share some similarities, there are a few key differences that set them apart. Investment philosophy. Spaceship adopts a thematic approach to investing, focusing on specific trends and industries. This differs from traditional unit trusts, which often follow a more diversified strategy. Fees. Spaceship's fee structure is relatively transparent and competitive. However, it's important to compare the fees charged by Spaceship to those of traditional unit trusts to determine which option is more cost-effective for your specific needs. Accessibility. Spaceship is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to investors of all levels. Its intuitive platform and educational resources make it easier for beginners to get started. Customization. While Spaceship offers a range of pre-built portfolios, it also allows investors to customize their investments based on their risk tolerance and preferences. However, this level of customization may be limited compared to traditional unit trusts. Similarities. Despite these differences, Spaceship and unit trust share some common characteristics. Diversification. Both Spaceship and unit trusts offer a diversified portfolio, reducing your exposure to individual stocks or industries. Professional management. In both cases, your investments are managed by professional fund managers who have expertise in the financial markets. Liquidity. You can typically withdraw your investment from Spaceship or a unit trust at any time, subject to certain conditions. So, is Spaceship a unit trust? While it shares some similarities with traditional unit trusts, it also has its own unique characteristics. The best option for you will depend on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and accessible way to invest in global stocks and ETFs, Spaceship might be worth considering. However, it's important to do your own research and compare it to other investment options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.